The data science is a fundamental domain where you study the data, where you have a collected data set available on the whole large document or a text box or something like that. And there is a database, and in that database, and there is a whole subject out of that database course. So in that subject, there's one chapter or unit completely dedicated for entity relationship modeling. This is what it means with systems engineering. So that entity relationship modeling means, what is entity? Suppose if we want to study a university students, so what are the student represent? Student represent entities, and how they have their features. They have features like roll number, their names, their discipline, where their work department, you can say. Then the courses they take. So student represent an entity in that university. Similarly, faculty also represent an entity. And what the faculty have? Faculty have a designation, assistant professor, professor. Then you have department of that faculty member, which is he or she is affiliated to. Then the coursework that faculty teaches. So these are the two different databases that we are talking about: student database and faculty database. How these two entities are being working together means faculty database entity and student entity, and these entities are being interacting together. When we go internally depth about that how these modelings are being done, how the relationship between student and the relationship between faculty working, what type of relationship we want to study, that the courses taken by the student was of particular faculty of a particular department, and how they are being working, and what are the number of courses that a student took for a particular faculty. Means there could be four subject or courses a student had studied for from the particular same faculty throughout his graduation. So this type of study, that out of 40 courses that a student had studied, four courses had been studied by that student from a particular faculty. Means 4 out of 40. This is a large number. Means you have a hundreds of faculty in a university, but if a student was studying four courses or five courses, six courses out of 40, that is a large thing in a large university. So it means this type of result is an important thing. What motivated that student to study four or five courses from a particular faculty? This type of study, when we do, and when we go internal depth and detail of that level of data science, it becomes systems engineering. How we are dealing with one entity one and entity two. When we start doing a detailed analysis of relationship between those two, three, four entities working together, that becomes system science or systems theory or systems engineering. And that has been helped and worked together with the help of data science or databases type of technologies that we heard from many places and many locations.